Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Hub. So here I am your friend Nikita and today I am going to discuss about IoT based hospital information and management system. Now let's get started. So firstly we looked at what is hospital information and management system. The hospital information and management system ultimately combines electronic copies of all documents created from admission to discharge with electronic reports, usually clinical testing or billing information, into a single electronic folder. They reduce labor, eliminate lost files and lost sheets, improve access to authorized user, increase security and provide documentation for claim more quickly. Here our topic is based on IoT. So firstly we know about IoT. IoT is combination of hardware and software technologies that produce trillions of data through connecting multiple devices and sensor with the clouds and making sense of data with the intelligence tool. Anything can be IoT device if it can transmit and receive data over the clouds and designed to process a unique task. Now we discuss about IoT based hospital information and management system. IoT based hospital information and management system provide a common source of information about a patient's health history. IoT application connect physical and analog device through the internet with the use of accurate and sensors of together data. This is stored in hospital information and management system and analyzed by medical staff. Now let's talk about its purpose. IoT based hospital information and management system aim at managing the clinical staff, medical equipment and patient activities remotely. With the use of IoT based hospital information and management system, immediate access is available to authorized user, patient centric and technologies hospital ensure an efficient medical environment. Now hospital information and management system is include the some other terms related to hospital information is that IoT and telehealth. So here we discuss about what is IoT in healthcare sector. IoT in healthcare is heterogeneous computing wirelessly communication system of apps and devices that connect patients and health provider to diagnosis, monitor, track and store visual, statistics and medical information. Now the few examples of IoT in healthcare. It is blood pressure monitor, glucose monitor, ECG monitor, pulse oximeter and any wearable technology devices. So here we check that what is the meaning of telehealth. So let's know about what is telehealth. Telehealth is the delivery of healthcare services and clinical information to remote location. Telehealth is an FDA. Here the FDA is Food and Drug Administration and here is a HIPAA. HIPAA is a Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act complaints platform that interactively connects patients with a nationwide network of licensed doctors 24 into 7 using internet through Internet of Things, video chats, smartphones and electronic medical records clouds. Telehealth is a new paradigm in healthcare industry. Here we learn some important service under telehealth. Here the first is telemedicine. Providing a professional consultation to a patient is a remote location or assisting a primary care physician in rendering a diagnosis. According to American Medical Association, 78% of emergency care could be handled efficiently using telemedicine. Now the second one is telemonitoring. Collecting patient's data using IoT and sending the data to a healthcare monitoring agency for remote testing and diagnosis. Telemonitoring service also include personalized alert that inform a patient's healthcare provider in the time of physician and mental trauma. Now the third one is telesurgery, enabling the surgeon to perform an operation on a patient from a distance location using telerobotic technology. Last second is remote medical education, providing medical education to the healthcare services community and target groups from a geographical different location. Now the last one is telehealth data services. Share the specialized health information with other health services providers, the education industry, research firm and the government, etc. Now let's know about some benefits. First one is immediate medical attention, especially during times of medical emergency and natural disaster. Another one is no need for waiting in long queue to see a physician, and reduce documentation and paperwork, and communication to the primary care doctor and specialist happen at the same time because everyone is virtually present in the same room. Now next is expand reach to various health service provider. Now here we discuss about what is the present condition of healthcare IoT. Healthcare IoT is the present condition. First one is telemedicine. Use of telecommunication and information technology to provide medical health care at long distance. Now another one is clinical operation and workflow management. Healthcare sensor monitor patients, radio frequency identification, read time location system and admission discharge transfer system help in overall operation of the hospital. Now the third one is connected imagine. Connected imagine enhance collaboration among radiologist, physician and technologist in different location. Now last second one is remote patient monitoring. Enable monitoring of patients outside of conversion clinic setting which decrease healthcare delivery cost. Now the last one is medication therapy management. Medication therapy management include therapy reviews, documentation, follow-ups and intervention plans. So now we look forward to what the future of healthcare IoT will be. Future of healthcare IoT is promising and will witness wide span of growth and revenue in near future even through the technologies present now. It should be available to all at competitive prices and should be introduced in rural sector as well. Wearable connected device can be designed for all discharged patients to monitor vital signs. Data will be sent to the consulting doctor and real-time diagnosis can be done at the real time. The monitor device is returned to hospital once the patient is fully recovered. Through these technology exist is it should become commercial viable to entire population. More connected household medicine devices can design to improve quickly diagnosis such as internet enabled thermometer which can send the reading of high temperature to doctor and determine whether or not an appointment is necessary. An aggregate storage device can be designed to all the scan reports so that the patient doesn't have to carry the hard copies when going for the diagnosis. Huge amount of wastage and cost is reduced. The data can be shared online between physician and technicians. After all, Healthcare sector and food care sector are the prime factor of our life. All the current application of healthcare IoT can be integrated with standard protocol so that everyday life of everyone can be transformed, which is the main motto of IoT. Thank you.